see the FMUT for the first time in real life is a wonderful thing, and it's performing as expected, which is of course a great thing to see. The functionality of the FMUT is that it is a Flange Mounted Upending Tool, which means that it's designed to upend and lift monopiles with a diameter of 7.5 meters up to 1,600 metric tons. And the role of KENC in this project is that it is awarded the design and fabrication of the FMUT from start to finish, meaning that includes the fabrication but also the factory acceptance tests and site acceptance tests, which we are performing currently.
I look back to the collaboration with KENC in a positive way. We had a good and open, transparent relation and communication. And I really appreciate their knowledge and workmanship for the design and construction of such a tool.
To see the FMUT for the first time in real life is a wonderful thing. Of course, you see it countless times on your computer screen. I've been involved during the fabrication as well. But that's always bits and pieces, and now it's all one piece and it's performing as expected, which is of course a great thing to see.